guys, welcome to my video. You're probably wondering, why is this girl wearing the same clothes? Well, I filmed the videos on the same day. And ignore my hair, it looks a bit bumpy, but that's because I had to put my real hair in like 2 braids. I didn't have time to do like little wig braids, so it's just 2 French braids. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple hairstyles that you can do, or that I do when I wear my wigs. So yeah, this video is sponsored by Dye Hair 777. The link, the description, the link to the hair, everything will be down below in the description box as always. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys 3 easy hairstyles that I do when I wear this wig. The first hairstyle I do is this hairstyle. So basically this is my go-to hairstyle for when I wear any wigs. So all I do is I get got2b, I spray it here, and then I brush back, and then I hold it there, and then I let it go, and it just holds up instead of just going straight in my face. And then I do the same to this side, I brush up, and then I just brush back down. And then this is my go-to hairstyle for when I wear any wigs. Like when I'm in a rush, I'll just do that quickly. And then yeah, this is the first hairstyle. Okay, the second hairstyle I do is a low bun. So what you need to do this hairstyle is a hairband. So I've got a hairband here. So what I do is I take my hair back, low ponytail, and I tie it into a bun. And then I wrap this around, and then so it's just like that. And then from the sideburns I grab I should have done this before, 2 little strands. Okay, cool. I grab 2 little strands, and then I don't really do baby hairs, but I'll just pull this out a bit so it goes up and fix it a bit. And yeah, so this is my second go-to hairstyle. It's just quick and easy, it's a bit messy, it's nothing too posh or over the top, it's just quick and simple for like if you're in a rush to go uni, or if you're in a rush to go out somewhere, or if you just want to look casual. This is just like my little cute bun. Okay, the third hairstyle, the last hairstyle, is a, I don't know what to call this. You're gonna need to brush the got2b out a bit. Okay, cool. I should have done this first. Okay, then you're gonna grab a section from here, and then you're gonna grab a section from there, and then I try to grab out a little bit from here. Then I'll just get the brush and brush upwards. And then the flyaway is just like that, and then get yourself a spoolie. I lost my spoolie, so I'm going to use this. And then brush it back. Then brush these forward. Where did the accent come from? But yeah, brush this forward, and then And yeah, this is my third go-to hairstyle. It's so cute and it's just easy to do, and it is very simple. You can keep these two to the front, or you can just put them to the back, but I like them to the front. These are my 3 easy hairstyles, my 3 go-to hairstyles for when I wear my. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and also check out the company Dye Hair 777 down below in the description. My Instagram, my email, and my other socials will be down below in the description, so make sure you guys check that out. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned because there's going to be loads more videos coming. And yeah, thank you.
You a queen in the street, so no one else could be above you. When you be on the low, at least you know